For nearly 50 years, the two 300-foot tall stacks at Grainger Generating Station served as the gateway to the Grand Strand for beach-bound travelers. In 2012, Santee Cooper retired the station as part of our shift to a more diversified generating fleet. National Salvage and Service Corporation began dismantling the station in 2015. The stack demolition was handled by CDI, a Maryland firm with 60 years' experience. Laying down the mammoth stacks parallel to Highway 501 is no small feat, explains Tom Dowd, CDI's project manager.
We calculate the rough weight of the structure, base it on 3,000 psi concrete. How much concrete do we need to leave to carry the weight of the structure? So that when we remove the front leg, it just doesn't collapse. It's got what we call the hinge to rotate on. So when we cut the rebar in the back, we'll remove the elements out front, and that leaves us that 4-foot section for the structure to rotate on in the direction of fall.
February 7th at 8 a.m., the stacks came down. From detonation to dust, the entire operation took about 10 seconds. Plans are to layer the ground with soil, grade it, and cover the site with grass. We'll leave you with a couple of different views of the demolition.